Hey, hi, this is Chandra B. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Light is Tech Software Programmer Academy. This session, basically, I have designed for the very newcomers who are keen to learn, as I'm keep on mentioning, but this is very basics, before entering into the web world, into the web application world, people need to understand what is website, what is internet, what is web applications, what are Windows, desktop, and all those technical terms. For them, I have created this one, whereby I simply wanted to introduce you what is basically internet, what is website, what are HTML, because this session is basically into the very basic program with the very basic language, which is called HTML. So here, I wanted to tell you before we start the program into HTML that I mean before telling you the full form of HTML, of course, this is all about internet. Let's say for a very basic example, if you will see any application, any app on your mobile, like Authenticator, like Microsoft Excel or any like Canva, any tool, anything you are accessing through your mobile phone, and anything you are watching on your TV, Android TV, or any of your through any of your device, any accessibility you are able to perform through internet, like that all are web applications, websites, the apps basically, which are hosted over internet through browsers are here, the Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, IE, that is Internet Explorer, you know Opera Mini, and and the other tools. Even some are about to launch in the market, the new browsing tools. Here, before we start with the program, HTML actually is as we all know, hypertext markup language, which is basically the language which is understands by internet only. Internet understand the language of HTML only. Whatever are documented inside HTML, that is only communicating language of internet. So whenever you will go, you will see any web application, you will go to view page source code, then you will able to see. The moment you will inspect the particular page, you will able to see that this is tagged and titled the documented inside HTML tag elements. Basically, and whatever you are watching, you are able to interact with, you are seeing the the coloring and everything that are comes from the CSS, which is called cascading style sheet, and the functionalities and all you are able to see through the scripting languages. For example, the very basic scripting language is JavaScript. So this particular HTML is simply designed by or developed by www only. The www you will able to continuously watching in the very front of any of the language, and sorry, any of the application, any of the website, which was formerly called W3, formerly even, or W3 consortium, or what WAC, WHAT, also we call it. It is actually it was getting started from the year early 1980s, and this is more than 40 years we are with HTML. We can say that this is a document file format inside the HTML element tag elements, which we are seeing over any application, on any application by accessing any website by web browsing. So everything will be tagged inside that start and the end, which we call basically the angle bracket, the start and the end bracket. And whatever tag we will mention, like HTML, P stands for paragraph, head, title, body, whatever, so that called the elements, the tag elements of HTML. In the later section we will understand about CSS and JavaScript, of course, and history is not at utmost priority for me at the moment. So I have introduced, I have tell you that from like for what reason this HTML is, and why it is really important for each one of us, and because it is one of the language and the only language which understands by internet. So HTML is there in the market. Anyone who are entering into IT sector, into the software development, that they needs to, they require to understand HTML first. This is the basic and the most important and very widely to learn. There are many things behind HTML to learn, to use, to do, but the basic part I'll cover, so that in the if any new thing comes, any new technical things comes from HTML, so that you can understand by your own easily. So this will be the start session for you guys. For each one of you, let's start with the program part.